Hello guys, today I'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window of LinkedIn. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Then we can go to your Wi-Fi, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. And in the end, if it's not working with you, you can go to Play Store, you can search about LinkedIn and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you.